So, is it possible to get a title for a vehicle that has a junk or parts only title, or maybe you've seen a document from Florida called a certificate of destruction? Maybe you've seen a document from Texas called a non-repairable title. These are all vehicle records which you may have found gives you trouble getting a title from the DMV. It's not like a salvage title where you need to get it inspected. Maybe your vehicle has no damage. Maybe it's in perfect condition and you're wondering, why the heck can I not get a title? This is very common. What happens is when a vehicle is designated by the insurance company as a liability risk, meaning that they're worried that if they let the vehicle go back on the road, they could have liability or a lawsuit down the road, they're going to just brand it and stamp it as ineligible for road use, called a junk title or parts only. And that will go on the record of that vehicle that's available to all 50 states. It's not any one state does it. All 50 states do this through a federal national record system called the NMVTIS. So what do you do about it? Well, one thing you can do is you can attempt to override that designation. If you've purchased a vehicle, have a lot of money tied up in it, maybe you've invested tens of thousands of dollars at Copart or IAA, or maybe you bought it off Craigslist or Facebook from somebody who just kind of flipped it to you without. You will be back in your video in just a few seconds. In the meantime, remember that actualhuman.com offers you live one-on-one private video consultation with an expert in this exact subject. We want to listen to your story. We want to hear your questions. We want to give you expert advisement of your options and tell you what we know about your particular situation. Now back to your video. Telling you what the story was. The one option you can do is to file a petition with your county court to have the court override that decision. And they have the authority to override the DMV. Now, it's a process where you have to prepare some documents and file them with the court. You can't just walk into the court and talk to them about it or ask them. They really can't help you that way. You have to know exactly what you're doing with paperwork and put on the paperwork exactly what you're asking for. The court can only do what you ask them to do. They can't help you figure out how to file the documents or even how to prepare them. They don't have any blank forms for this. So you can file a package of documents, which is the petition of ownership, the affidavit of facts, and the declaration of interest. And our website will give you some more instructions on exactly how to do this, to override or undo or reverse a junk title or parts only title, or like I said, in Florida it's called a certificate of destruction. In Texas it's called a non-repairable title. Those can all be attempted to be overridden by the court system if they feel that this shouldn't have happened, or that you have a good reason why it should be reversed to allow you to have your vehicle on the road. So that is the process of doing a court order reversal of a junk title, and it's really the last ditch effort you can ever use to put that vehicle back on the road. If you found this video helpful, be sure to click on other videos on our channel to see if there's further information that could give you more insight into resolving your particular situation.